Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to customize your Crisp Chatbox so it feels clear, on brand and ready to help your users. If you are wondering how to make your live chat feel like a real part of your website, customization is where to start. Your chatbox is often the first support touchpoint users see, so the clearer it looks, sounds and behaves, the easier it is for users to start a conversation. Now let's jump into Crisp. From your dashboard, go to Settings, then Chatbox Settings and open Chatbox Appearance. This is where you manage the basic look and feel of your chatbox. Here you can customize your color theme, your layout, your header text and your welcome message. The welcome message is the first message users see when they open the chatbox, so keep it short, friendly and clear. For example, instead of writing a long marketing message, you can simply say, "Hi, how can we help you today?" You can also choose your chatbox language, show reply time indicators, and configure your chat button behavior. These settings are available even on the free plan, and they already help your chatbox feel more professional. But what if you want more controls over the exact wordings, the colors, and the positions of your chatbox? So you can click Open Advanced Customization. This is available from the mini plan and above. Advanced Customization gives you one central place to manage text translations, position offsets, and custom colors. Let's start with the most important one, text translations. Text translations let you customize the words users see across the chatbox experience. This is not only about translation, it's also about making the chatbox match your brand tone, your product vocabulary, and the way your team speaks to customers. And now you can also manage multiple languages from here. Let me now show you what you can customize. First, you have chatbox text. These are the text users see when the chatbox is open. For example, you can edit the header labels, the message placeholder, or the main help message. If your users don't use the word messages, you can change it to something clearer like support. Don't forget that small wording changes like this can make the experience feel more natural for them. Next, you have alerts. These are the system messages shown when something needs the user's attention. For example, when an email is invalid, when your team is away, or when users need to add an email or phone number. Instead of keeping generic messages, you can make them more helpful. For example, "We are not online right now, but leave your email and we will get back to you." Then you have identity text. These are used when Crisp asks users for their email or phone number. For example, "What is your email address?" or "Enter your email to know when we reply." This matters because users are more likely to share the information when the message is clear and trustworthy. Now let's look at Chatbox Search. This section controls the text users see when they search your help content or use AI-powered answers. For example, you can customize the search placeholder, the no result message, the AI answer loading message, and the "Do you still have questions?" message. So this is very useful if you want your search experience to feel more human and less generic. For example, instead of a cold "no results," you can write "We could not find the right answer, try another search or contact us." Next, you have minimized text. These are the text users see when the chatbox is closed. For example, your online status, your away status, your chat button label, or your search button label. This is important because this text can influence whether users open the chatbox or not. So keep them simple, for example, questions, chat with us. You will also find more specific sections like calls, magic browse, and other system interactions. You don't need to customize everything. Start with the text users see most often: welcome message, chat button label, search messages, email request messages, and away status. That's usually where you get the most impact. Now let's open the position offsets. Position offsets let you move the chatbox on the screen. You can adjust the position for desktop and mobile. This is super useful when your chatbox overlaps with other elements, like a cookie banner, a floating CTA, or your mobile navigation. A quick tip here, always test this on your mobile before applying changes, because a chatbox that looks good on a desktop can still block other elements on the mobile. Finally, open custom colors. Custom colors let you define the exact colors used in your chatbox. You can edit the baseline color and the reverse color. Use this if you need the chatbox to match your brand guidelines more precisely. But keep contrast in mind. Your chatbox should look good, but it should also stay easy to read. Before we wrap up, here are a few best practices. First, don't over-customize everything. Start with the text users actually see. Second, keep messages short. Your chatbox should help users move faster, not make them read more. And third, test your chatbox in real conditions. You can do it in the playground, but I recommend to also open it on your website, on desktop and mobile, and check if it feels clear. To recap, customizing your Crisp Chatbox comes down to 3 steps. First, use Chatbox appearance to manage the basic look and feel. Second, use text translations to adapt the wording to your brand, your users, and your languages. And third, use position, offset, and custom colors to make the Chatbox fit naturally into your website. The goal is very simple: your Chatbox should feel helpful, clear, and part of your product. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next Crisp Help video.